Hi, Jenny Brown here from Audubon Naturalist Society. Today I'm at the Learning Garden at Wood End Sanctuary in Chevy Chase, Maryland. The Wood End Sanctuary is the headquarters for Audubon Naturalist Society, and we use the Learning Garden to help visitors, adults and children learn about food plants for humans and plants that attract wildlife. I'm going to talk to you about a Three Sisters garden. Three Sisters Garden was developed over thousands of years of observations by Native Americans. They figured out the three plants that work really well together and help each other out. The three sisters are corn, beans, and squash. So let's get started. Here we are at Three Sisters Garden. The corn was planted about 2 weeks ago. It becomes the structure of the Three Sisters. These will become really big and strong, 6, 7, 8 feet tall, and they provide something for the pole beans to climb on. Pole beans are vining, and they need a structure like a trellis, or in this case, the corn stalks. So what I do now that the corn has had a head start, gotten growing, is I'll stick these in at the base of the corn, and once it pops out, it will start winding its way around the corn stalks. The other thing that pole beans provide are the nitrogen for all three plants. The third sister is a squash, type of squash, and in this case it's going to be a sugar pie pumpkin. These are seeds I collected last year, and all I did was smear the sticky seeds on a paper towel, let them dry out, mark what they are, wrap them in an envelope, and then if you were to do this year, you will be able to have your own seeds for next year. So when the time comes, we just pick off the seeds that have stuck, and we plant these around the widest ring of the garden. These have broad leaves and stay low to the ground, so they shelter the roots and the soil of all three plants and provide, they keep moisture in and they prevent weeds from growing. So that's how all three sisters help each other and grow together, and come September we will have corn and beans and squash to harvest. And I'm not sure that this is going to work. This is kind of late to be starting a Three Sisters garden in the Mid-Atlantic area, but I figured it was worth a try. It's here at Wood End Sanctuary, which is open to the public, so please come and see if my experiment worked. See if these things are growing happily throughout the summer. We are open dawn to dusk, so come visit and see how the garden is growing. Thanks.